100 above people watching and like is 27. So please, like guys. No, I'm not pregnant. It's just my belly. As I grow older, my tummy and my, what you call this, digest, what's that? Metabolism is not good. That's why my tummy, and I eat a lot of rice. Maybe just being beautiful is enough to be charming, girl. So share your Snapchat ID. I'll share something important. Your Snapchat. I don't have that. I don't have Snapchat chat. Snapchat. Snapchat. I don't have. Only WhatsApp. Visit tayo, ma'am. Hi, Jen Jago. Freezy? Why? Why, Ma'am Jen? Jen Jago. Why mag-video call? So what have you have any so that I can contact with you? Oh, nice no. Hi, Bobby Balaba. Hello. Hi. Like the like the little friends. I don't know. Yes, mom, like you. Yes, mom, like you, ba. Yes. Good night. Love you so much. You will see and like your watching growth. Naman siya, no? I don't know that. Basta I was talking to my live. Just entertaining who come on live saying hi, hello, shout out, and just to like Carol live. Hmm? I don't understand. Naman siya, I don't understand. Say, hello, what is Redmi? Redmi. Hi. Hi to my 102 viewers. We have to communicate somewhere about life. Okay. Hindi nga hinoon ko ni mo. Watch na lang. Huwag ka lang hatag with chocolate. Like, like the live friends. Live friends? Who's this? I don't want to show my milk. No way. Send your way. Hello, sexy. You are hot and beautiful. Hello, Carol. Mr. Bossman. No. It's a bad comment. I will remove you. Oops. Hi to my 120 viewers. Hi. Oh shit. I'm glad I'm back on live because last time I was tired making live because my channel is not able to earn, so I rest. Sometimes I sa paghatag choco wala kay details. Iniinom ka? No way na lang. Basta gusto mo may paraan pero may dahilan. Ano? Hingin ba? Wala naman. Hindi ka naman naghingi address. Iba yung hinihingi mo. Diba? Like the live friends. Oh my god, Maki.